For this problem, we have find the area of each of the composite figures. So this problem basically says that we must find the area of the square here and these two triangles. So one way to do this is to break these three figures apart. Well, it may not look difficult, but it is really easy. So the first thing I would do, they gave us that the height of this triangle, which is split into two. This is normally just one triangle right here, but you can see that there are dashed line here. So I'm just gonna take this triangle out. Okay, just one of this one, and redraw it. Here's our right angle, and this our height is, they told us that it's 6 meters. But what about our base right here? Oh, we can see right here that we have 8 meters right there. Well, if this is 8 meters, this right here has to be 8 meters too right here. But since this is a triangle and I took this part out, this is going to be divided by 2. So these had to be 4 each. So our base, our triangle, is going to be 4 meters right here. And by using the area of a triangle, which is A equals 1/2 times base times height, I am just going to substitute in. So 1/2 is the same. Our base is 4 meters. Make sure to include in units so you don't forget it. Our height is 6 meters. Alright, so 4 times 6 is 24. Divided by 2 is going to be 12 meters square. Okay, it's square because think of these xx mode. This is m to the first power, and this is going to be the product rule. That we have the same base means we add their exponent, which is going to be 2 right here. That's how the m squared comes from. Okay, after we get this, we don't have to worry about this triangle. This triangle, the area of this triangle is just going to be 12 meters square. Okay, now for this square, sorry, I mean this rectangle right here, just draw an arrow. To find the area of this rectangle, we use the formula A equals length times width. Alright, our length right here is going to be 10 meters, so let's plug that in. 10 meters, and our width is going to be 8 meters times 8 meters, and this is going to give us our area of 80 meters square. Okay, now we have that. Our answer is not going to be 2 answers, it's actually going to be 1. We want to find the area of each of these composite figures, so think of this as one figure. So 1 2 3 4 5, it has 5 sides. Okay, but we just split this into 3 shapes, so we want the total area of this figure right here. So we're just gonna add up the area that we calculated for the 2 triangles and a rectangle, starting with the rectangle, which is 80, plus the 2 triangles, which is 12 plus 12, and 80 plus 12 is 92, plus 12, 92 plus 12 is going to give us 104, but don't forget our units. Our unit stays the same as meter square, so our answer for this figure is going to be 104 meters square.